Okay, so good evening everyone. Let's start today's section. So previously we already started your Hadoop, isn't it? Okay, so if you don't know guys, the Hadoop we already started. You can check that a previous properly the word file which one are helping you to install your Hadoop. Even we discuss about even Hadoop also. What is the Hadoop? Why we are using? What is the new thing we have in the Hadoop and everything? Okay, so let's go in the properly depth inside of your Hadoop. Okay, now you can see the module number 2, that is we call as a HDFS. Let me clear that one thing. If you don't know, let me open over here just my notepad. Okay, just give me the second. Let me open over here the notepad. Okay, now see over here in that whenever we talk about your Hadoop, okay, whenever we talk about your Hadoop are mainly divided into the three major component. Your Hadoop is divided majorly three component. One is your HDFS. Okay, one is your HDFS. Second, okay, one is your HDFS. Second, your map reducing. Okay, reduce. Okay, map reduce. Okay, and the third one we call as a yarn, isn't it? Main your Hadoop is divided into the three major part. One is the HDFS, second your map reduce, and third one is your yarn. Now what is sir you are saying? What is that? I can understand Hadoop is we are using for store the big data, isn't it? Hadoop we are using to the store a big data. Now what is your HDFS sir you are saying? What is this map reducing? What is this one yarn? Let me clear that one thing. HDFS full form is Hadoop Distribution File System. What is the full form? Hadoop Distribution File System. You know, we learned that previously. Hadoop is the divided your task in the different machines. Means what happened? Hadoop is the database system we have where thing is what? Let me open my notepad or let me open my paint over here. Okay, so where is my paint? Just give me the time. Okay, so see over here, suppose what happened, your Hadoop is what, suppose this is your Hadoop database. Okay, this database, when you have to the file is present, suppose this is my main machine is there, and I have this one file will be distributing in the different machines. Are you getting or not? This one file it will be distributing in the different machines. Means what happen in the future, if we will be lose this machine, or maybe if you lose this data, then what happen, we have the backup from over here, we have the backup from over here. So your HDFS, what exactly HDFS is doing, when you are storing data, it will be a divided that into the different file, and it will be distributed. That's why we are calling as the Hadoop distribution file system. It is the one system we have which one are distributing your file in the different in different system, isn't it? Even not it will be distributing file also, it will be doing a task in the one single computer. If suppose all computers are come together and doing a task, then what happen, you will be a process of big data. That's why the big data we are calling the Hadoop. Are you understand? So first major component in your Hadoop is what? HDFS, Hadoop distribution file system. Now after second we have to do your map reducing. Map reduce means what? Suppose right now guys, suppose right now, let me scroll down a little bit. Suppose right now guys, I have to the I have the one file which one I store, and in that file, maybe this is the text file, maybe this is your text file. So in that file maybe I have the data is present, like what happens, suppose any kind of word. So I can say this is me Rohit. Are you getting or not? Okay, and again maybe I have the data, this is and this is I am. Are you getting or not? This is I am Rohit. Are you getting? Both are the different words are there. So suppose we have to the this data whenever we are storing. So it will be storing like this way. So how many these I have? I have the one, two, these are present. So it will be store only the one time this. Are you getting or not? It will be store like that. I have to the two, these are there. Okay, so like this way. After that it will be store how many is I have to the is present how many times, that is also I have to the two times are present. After how many times I have the me present, I have the me present only the one time. Are you getting or not? After that how many time Rohit I have the present, I have the Rohit present again back is the two times. Are you getting? I have to the two times are Rohit again present. Again that how many times I have the I am present. This is only the one time is the I am present. Now what happen whenever your map reducing is what happen whenever it's a repetition is happening, it will be storing only the one time. Why? Because the work of map reducing, if suppose similar things are present, I want to be store only the one time. Using by that what happen, you will be reduce your data. Are you getting? Means your HDFS is we are using for to means your Hadoop is the big database system, right? Big database system. Why we are using? Because I have a large quantity of data, isn't it? So large quantity data, if you are distributing that, means if you are saving something one file, it will be becoming as a replica, isn't it? So what happened that all become as a replica, then your data will be become more bigger, right? So we want something which one can able to reduce something. So this is the second major component you have inside of your Hadoop, that is called map reducing. Means using a similarity or double concept is present or double something chunk files are present, it will become as a one only. Like it is not a file, it is like I said that if suppose texts are present, so what happened that text, if suppose even if I want to be store Rohit, it will be take to the memory, right? So I will be do one thing, means your map reducing what will be do, it is storing only the one time, and it will be write the how many times is present inside of your database. Are you getting or not? Okay, so this is major component you are map reducing. And the third one, it's your yarn is the we are using for machine, like behind HDFS and map reducing, the processing is going on, right? So how many computer we are utilize, how many things are available, how many data nodes and nodes are available, are you getting or not? That all are tracked by your yarn. Yarn is like a one manager who are managing to their resources. Are you understand or not? This is your we full called as a Hadoop. Hadoop having a three major component. One is your HDFS file distribution system. Second is your map reducing, and third one is your yarn. This is the theory is very important. Okay, now when you are understanding this theory, okay, let me close this one. Okay, let me go to the over here the proper. Okay, so right now we are learning your HDFS. You can see the Hadoop distribution file system definition. HDFS is the Hadoop storage system. It is a store very large file, gigabytes to the petabyte, okay, by splitting them into the block and split and separated those blocks across a many machines. HDFS means what? When you are storing something using one machine, it will be make a replicas, it will be stored in the different machines. Are you getting together? This is we call your HDFS. See, HDFS is the Hadoop storage system. It is store a very large file, splitted them into the blocks, splitted them into the blocks and separate those blocks across the many machines. Are you getting or not? So key concept is what? Distribution, storage, flood, fluent tolerance, scalability, high throughout output, right? Write once, read many times, isn't it? So this is exactly the advantage we have whenever we see to the HDFS, HDFS as your first major component. Now after that, whenever HDFS means specifically when we are discussing about your HDFS, only one this component. What is that? HDFS only one this component. Inside also we have the different component. One is your data node and another is your one is your name node and one is your data node, and third one is your secondary name node. Now what is that name node? Name node means what? The master that keep track of where each block of data is stored. isn't it? Means in HDFS it is stored into the different files, right? So your name node is it decided that means your master are decided where exactly that particular data are stored